trip has been... Okay, so Matthew knew that it was supposed to rain. Didn't tell me.
I didn't know it was gonna rain here.
So we're kind of just standing here under this little pavilion.
Perfect hiking weather.
Trying not to be soaking wet.
Oh well. Works for me.
My life this whole week has been awful. How do you turn the camera? You can't.
Snapchat. Under there.
Alright, we are here at the waterfall. Just the first little small one. Had a sandwich in the car.
Sandwich.
So here we go. Hope we don't die. That's the bridge we're supposed to cross.
Yeah, I'm ready. Down for that.
How do you even... That's not a bridge you could cross.
It used to be.
So Matthew's getting off the beaten path. So let's see here. What does he want me to look at? Oh, the waterfall. Drink from it.
No.
Look at how cute he is. We're supposed to be enjoying the nature, not being on our phones. So many stairs. Woo! Work out. There it goes. As you can see in the background, there's a nice lovely waterfall. A cutie. Did it echo?
Too loud.
No?
No.
Rock in the waterfall and see what happens. Should I like scream something as I do?
Sure.
What should I say?
Whatever you want.
Bombs away! I didn't throw very hard. Should I do that next time?
Sure. Woo! I got like 3 rocks.
3
I'm gonna
rocks?
chuck them. In 3, 2, 1. We will rock you!
Stop! I didn't see where they went.
That rock.
What you said was too disturbing.
I am enjoying the nature.
So we made it to Cummins Falls. The gorge entrance was closed. Ah! Huh?
Gorge.
Gorge.
20 words.
Gorge. Anyway, so we really didn't get to see, like, get face to face with the waterfall, but we did get to see it from a distance. I think the other one was a tad bit better. But until next time, my friends, I will push him off this cliff. I guess I can't turn the camera. Oh wait, here we go. Just gone. on this trail. Is that a horse?